Hainish, at the southern tip of the island, has granite houses and a small pier built for the workers on the Skerryboard lighthouse, which is 10 miles out to sea to the southwest. A workforce of around 100 were involved in the building of Skerryboard Lighthouse under the supervision of Alan Stevenson of the renowned Stevenson family. In his own words, Hainish was a modest habitation for the lighthouse keepers and their families. As work progressed on the lighthouse project, a new community was created in this part of Tiree. Because the island is so green and the sparkling white houses are generally well maintained, the villages of Tiree are pristine in appearance. Older buildings are often renovated and put to good use here too. Ben Hainish, the highest hill on the island, is where the radar station is situated. It's been nicknamed the golf ball, for quite obvious reasons. Tiree is a very fertile island with excellent farming land. Its beaches offer spectacular scenery, drawing tourists year after year. Although you wouldn't think it from these pictures, Tiree is also one of the windiest regions in Britain. This makes it ideal for different water sports, such as windsurfing. The World Championship is held here each October. This is Got Bay, adjacent to Scarinish Quay, the island's main port. There are many sites of historical interest to be found in Tiree. In Kirkapole, we find the ruins of two chapels, the largest from the 14th century and the other 100 years or so older. Northeast of Tiree is the island of Coll. The island of Gunna lies in the sound between the two. At the head of Loch Brechcache sits Brechcache Castle and Brechcache House. It's thought that the castle was built early in the 15th century, but major reconstruction took place in the 16th century and again in the 17th century. It was purchased by Major Nicholas MacLean Bristol about 40 years ago and completely restored, so that today it's a family home once again. The neighbouring house was built by Hector, clan chief of the MacLeans of Coll, in 1750. MacLean was said to have had his own personal harpist. Given their close proximity, there are very few similarities between the islands of Coll and Tiree. Coll is rocky, and there's very little arable soil here. There are some impressive beaches, however. This is the island's east coast. Grishapole House, or at least what remains of it. Apparently, Samuel Boswell and Dr. Johnston were warmly welcomed here also when forced to land on Coll during a storm in 1773. According to their journal, it was at that time an excellent slated house of 2 stories. This is Argyll, the island's main township, and where one catches the ferry for Tiree and Rã°m. It's an attractive village, with a hotel and 2 churches. The houses themselves are very well maintained. The oldest ones were built by MacLean, Laird of Coll, around 1800, in an attempt to modernise the island. Northern Coll and the island's western coastline. These tiny islands retain their Gaelic names of Isle of Mull, Muile, and Isle of Rã°m, and bring this leg of our journey to an end.